Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device and backing up. This prevents data loss. Once done, free required space or choose a Mac/PC update path. Make sure Wi-Fi is fast and reliable and that the battery is above 50% or plugged in. Then open Settings, tap General and choose Software Update. The phone will check for available versions. If the update appears, tap Download and Install to start. This initiates verification and preparation automatically. You watch the download and let the phone verify the package. Interruptions can corrupt the install. During verification, you may be asked for your passcode and to agree to terms, so respond when prompted. Once prepared, the device schedules installation and will restart. Make sure it stays connected to power and Wi-Fi during this phase. The progress bar shows status, and the device may reboot multiple times. If you chose automatic updates, the system handles the timing for you. You finish by following any on-screen setup prompts and verifying the new iOS version in settings. If the update fails, reboot and retry the install. Sometimes a second attempt clears transient errors. Make sure ample storage remains, or plug into a computer and update via Finder or iTunes if available. If problems persist, restore from your backup or contact Apple support for guided recovery. Keeping backups and a charged device minimizes risk and speeds a safe resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.